Love. It's a beautiful, messy, and exhilarating experience. We crave its intimacy, its warmth. But love often invites an unwelcome guest anxiety. This anxiety can cast a shadow over even the strongest connections. It whispers doubts, amplifies insecurities, and threatens to sabotage our happiness. We might find ourselves constantly seeking reassurance, questioning our partner's feelings, or fearing the worst. The good news is, relationship anxiety is not a life sentence. It's a call to action, an opportunity to heal old wounds and build stronger, more secure bonds. In this essay, we'll explore proven techniques to help you navigate relationship anxiety. You'll learn to identify its roots, manage its symptoms, and ultimately transform your connection into one of safety and trust. Remember, love shouldn't come with a side of constant worry. You deserve a love story filled with peace, joy, and deep, abiding connection. Relationship anxiety can manifest in various ways. Recognizing its signs is crucial for addressing the issue effectively. Do you find yourself constantly needing reassurance from your partner? Perhaps you overanalyze their words and actions, searching for hidden meanings. Jealousy, possessiveness, and a fear of abandonment are also common red flags. These anxieties might stem from past hurts, attachment styles, or even societal pressures. It's essential to differentiate between typical relationship worries and debilitating anxiety. If your fears and insecurities consume your thoughts, disrupt your daily life, or create constant conflict in your relationship, it's time to take action. Addressing relationship anxiety is not about blaming yourself or your partner. It's about understanding the root causes and developing healthy coping mechanisms to build a more fulfilling and secure connection. Anxiety is not just a mental experience, it manifests physically too. Our bodies tense up, our breath quickens, and we might experience racing thoughts or digestive issues. One powerful technique to combat anxiety is through the body. By tuning into our physical sensations, we can calm the nervous system and gain a sense of control. A simple yet effective exercise is the body scan meditation. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your breath. Slowly scan your body, noticing any sensations without judgment. Are your muscles tense? Is your stomach knotted? Acknowledge these feelings and gently encourage them to soften. This practice helps ground you in the present moment, interrupting the cycle of anxious thoughts and promoting a sense of calm. By addressing the physical manifestations of anxiety, we create space for emotional regulation and clearer thinking. Open and honest communication is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship, especially when navigating anxiety. Often our fears fester in silence, growing larger and more distorted in our minds. Sharing our vulnerabilities with our partners can feel daunting, but it's crucial for building trust and intimacy. One effective communication strategy is the three-part method. First, express your feelings using I statements. For example, instead of saying, "You're always late," try, "I feel anxious when you're late because it makes me worry." Second, clearly state your needs and expectations. In this case, you might say, "I need you to communicate if you're running behind so I can adjust my plans." Finally, collaborate on a solution together. This could involve setting reminders, agreeing on acceptable arrival windows, or finding alternative arrangements. Section 5. Reframing the narrative. Shifting perspectives for a healthier bond. Our thoughts have immense power over our emotions and behaviors. When anxiety takes hold, it's easy to fall into negative thought patterns, catastrophizing situations, and assuming the worst. Reframing involves consciously challenging these negative thoughts and replacing them with more balanced perspectives. Let's say your partner doesn't respond to your text immediately. Anxious thoughts might spiral. They're ignoring me. They don't care. Maybe they're losing interest. Instead, pause and reframe. They're probably busy. I don't have all the information. It's important to give them the benefit of the doubt. By shifting our perspective, we interrupt the cycle of negativity and create space for more rational and compassionate interpretations. Remember, our thoughts are not always facts. Challenge your assumptions, seek evidence, and choose to focus on more balanced perspectives. Section 6. Cultivating self-compassion, the foundation of secure relationships. Often, relationship anxiety stems from our own insecurities and self-doubt. We might fear not being good enough, worthy enough, or lovable enough. Addressing these underlying insecurities requires cultivating self-compassion. Self-compassion involves treating ourselves with the same kindness, understanding, and acceptance that we would offer a loved one. Instead of criticizing yourself for feeling anxious, acknowledge that it's a normal human emotion and offer yourself words of comfort and support. Engage in activities that nourish your soul and boost your self-esteem. Remind yourself of your strengths, accomplishments, and the qualities that make you special. When we feel good about ourselves, we're more likely to approach relationships from a place of security and confidence, reducing the grip of anxiety. Section 7. Seeking professional guidance, when individual and couples therapy can help. While these techniques can be incredibly helpful, seeking professional guidance from a therapist is crucial in certain situations. If your anxiety significantly impacts your daily life, relationships, or overall well-being, a therapist can provide personalized support and evidence-based interventions. Individual therapy can help you explore the root causes of your anxiety, develop coping mechanisms, and work on building self-esteem. Couples therapy offers a safe space to address relationship patterns, improve communication, and strengthen your bond. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. A skilled therapist can equip you with the tools and insights needed to navigate anxiety and create healthier, more fulfilling relationships. Section 8. Conclusion: embracing vulnerability, nurturing trust. Overcoming relationship anxiety is a journey, not a destination. It requires ongoing effort, self-awareness, and a commitment to growth. By embracing vulnerability, practicing open communication, and reframing negative thoughts, you can transform your connection into one of safety, trust, and deep intimacy. Remember, you are worthy of love and belonging. Don't let anxiety rob you of the joy and fulfillment that come with a secure and loving relationship. Embrace the journey and know that you don't have to face it alone. Section 9. About the author, Esther Perel. Esther Perel is a renowned psychotherapist and relationship expert. She is the author of the New York Times bestsellers Mating in Captivity and The State of Affairs. Her insightful work explores the complexities of modern love, intimacy, and desire. Perel's popular podcast, Where Should We Begin?, offers a raw and honest glimpse into the lives of couples navigating various relationship challenges. She is a sought-after speaker and consultant, sharing her wisdom and guidance on stages and screens worldwide. Perel's compassionate approach and thought-provoking insights have made her a leading voice in the field of relationships, helping countless individuals and couples create more fulfilling and meaningful connections.